I think this is used for like making holes in wood and stuff, but today is going to make a 3/4 inch hole in this bumper. Today we are here to fix an issue, which is the top of my bumper that mounts to the fender has came completely off. As you can see, it's right there. So what I want to do today is make this where it's sitting back flush like it should, but I'm going to do that with some assistance of these little emergency quick release popper things. It's basically a quick release fitting. You have this little ball mount, and then you have the piece that will go on the fender, and then basically the ball aligns up with the inside of the quick release, and then it pops into place. And what makes it a quick release is you push this button here and it releases. This will mount to the car, and in my case this will bolt on to the bumper. What I want to do on this car is, there's already a screw right there in that pocket, so I want to see if I can unbolt it from the back. I will basically take this to replace that screw, and then that will give me my mount. And I'm thinking if I have just that one there, that should hold it perfect enough for me. I'm going to take that bolt out. I'm going to see if it's the same thread pitch as this. If you want to verify what size your nuts are, they have this handy dandy little tool here that you can use for that. And out of curiosity, I just want to see what thread both of these are. So the one I have, it does metric and standard. One that came out goes right into the M6 times 1.0, and the one that was supplied in the kit goes right into the M6 times 1.0. So this will actually go in right where that bolt came out, which is perfect. Since I can't put a nut on the back side, what I want to do is put it on this way with a washer, and hopefully I can, once this goes into the hole, I can tighten this up, and then that will kind of lock it in, and hopefully it will allow this to not move. After you get your mount where you want it, you take your toothpaste or your paint or whatever it is that you are using, you get it right there on it, and then what you want to do is you want to get the bumper up, or whatever panel you have, right about where it needs to be, and then you give it a simple push like so it makes contact, and then if you look inside, it will leave the spot where you need to drill your hole. Now you need to drill a hole. So if you take it and match it up, you can see the head right there in the back. We're going to take the digital caliper and figure out how big the hole needs to be. It is 17.8 millimeters. So 0.7 inches, which is 3/4 of an inch. I don't have a 3/4 inch drill bit. I think I have a 16 millimeter one, but not an 18 millimeter one. So I think this is used for like making holes in wood and stuff. But today is going to make a 3/4 inch hole in this bumper. Just like that. And the nut on the back, it has like grips on one side and it's smooth on the other. Put the grips towards whatever it is, so it kind of grips it and keeps it from coming loose. And now we can see how much adjustment we need. So this has a little bit of gap here, so I'm going to tighten it in a little bit more until we can get this kind of flush. And that looks about like factory fitment. Not going to complain too much about that. I dig it. So there it is, there it go, fixed. So I will have the link in the description below for the kit that I use, and most cars will have a piece of metal or something back there for you to drill through, and then you can use the nut on the backside of the washer to secure. So, but this seems to be a common problem on the Mazda 6s. I don't know about the Mazda 3s, but if you are looking for a quick release solution, this works pretty well. So until next time, think, build, enjoy, peace.